So, I want to show you guys how I can burp.
Yeah, it's
I'm not that good today.
quite interesting, but it's good, I guess.
So, I don't even need Pop to do it.
Oh, OMG.
Ew.
OMG.
That was small. Anyways. Okay.
Okay, so if you guys want to hear her say you guys' name, like, comment, and she will do it, and we will upload some videos.
OMG.
See, like that. And she could say
Her
my
name's
name,
Bar!
and her name's Zoe.
I know how to say her name.
See? See, she can say it perfectly. So if you want her to say it, just comment,
I like Bubsy.
and she will say your name.
Yeah, so.
Bye. And subscribe, please.
Bye!